Hello everybody, it's Rose here in another video. In today's video I want to exactly show you what's the best car you can buy to pretty much start a tour business. And it's very important nowadays. You can't just go out there and buy any cars and expect the car to do well. So you really have to understand your market to know exactly what type of car you should get that's gonna get booking, that's going to make you profit, because you're in this to make profit. You see, I started doing Turo since February, and I started doing it with this Mercedes-Benz GLA, and it did pretty well. Every month it bring me consistent income. So far I'm like probably a third of my investment. So I did bought this car cash and for my wife for a gift. Then I decided to, I wanted to leave my 9 to 5. So I'm like, what can I do to replace my 9 to 5 income? Then I started looking into Turo, because my business is online. I have an online business that's booming, that, really making me some serious money. As you can see, August, all these days, how consistent my online business been. And so for the last 12 months, I've been booming. So my online business is kicking it. I use this thing called ClickFunnels, which I'm killing it with it. But anyways, we're here to talk about Turo again. So that's why I was able to buy my wife car cash. And I have, a very good series of amount of cash that I could throw in cars. But I figured, Turo maybe not the best platform to buy a cash car. I wouldn't suggest you to buy any car with cash to invest in Turo. It's best to finance your car. So I have two cars on the platform that I buy cash. This one, it was just a nice luxury car that I bought for my wife so she can enjoy driving in the city, go to work. She loves her job. She's a teacher. So I bought this nice Mercedes, very low mileage. It was a killing. I really love this car, beautiful car. And it did so well on the Turo platform. This car was getting booked, left and right for the past few months. I don't have my phone, I can't really show you, but this car was doing awesome. And I think, these type of car depends on your market. If you live in the Florida area, Orlando, everybody love to come to Florida just to enjoy the weather, the beach. So they depends on your market really. But this car did so well. This GLA. I'm not saying you should go buy a car like that, but hey, if you're planning to do a good investment and your market, people like to come over just to kind of enjoy time, and this is the best market for you. It's getting a couple of future booking from here and there. My price for this car, it's not too bad at all. I rent it out right now for $77, and I offer airport delivery, which I charge $50 for. So I'm doing Turo full time. So I think, to me, this car, it's a great car, and you could easily listing that car on Turo and make some good profit with it. With my earnings so far, I can kind of show it to you exactly here. For the car, for the year so far, this is for 4 cars that I have on the platform. But remember, I started on February with 1 car. I didn't add these other 2 cars, these other 2 cars until June. I think, at the end of June, that's when I add these other 2 cars. So these previous few months, it's been the Mercedes and then my Nissan, which has a recall right now. So let's see. So let me show you exactly how much I earn with the Mercedes. So it already I bought it for 22 G's after taxes and everything. So I end up paying $22,000 cash for this car. And then so far I make $6,000, and it still has 54,000 miles, which is not bad. I bought it at 48. So I bought it at 48,000. Oh man, this is pretty good. I bought this car at 48,000 miles, and then now it has 56. I think last time I checked, 56. So, not even 10,000 miles added, and I already make 6,000. So this car is shooting so far. The profit margin, the return is good. It's matching the mileage, so you really have to make sure you get big return on this. So this is not bad at all. And I have upcoming earning for this car, so it's set to make me at least, for this year, at least $7,000, which I haven't got any booking yet for October, which I'm pretty sure September is gonna go up. So it's August, should go up a little because I don't have too many booking this month yet. So yeah, so I think this is a great car. It makes some serious profit itself. Look at this. 1 month it bring me $1,600, so that's pretty dope. So it's the month of March. So you're gonna have those up and down. And I think the reason why I did so bad on May, because I went on vacation for 3 weeks. For 3 weeks I didn't rent this car out in May because me and my wife, we took a vacation. So this is a great car for this particular market, Florida. And for you really have to, depends on your market. If you have theme parks people coming in, I would highly suggest you to get like these type of cars, 7-seated, because here in Florida and Orlando specifically, we have people that comes here for vacation. They're not gonna come by themselves. Anyone who chooses to come to Orlando, if you're not coming for a conference or a meeting, which majority of our people that's coming into the city, it's for not for conference but for theme parks, for activities, fun activity and stuff. So I think you can really get 7-seated car. I bought this car not only because me and my wife, we love to enjoy a road trip, and I decided to put it on Turo, and then it was doing well until it got the recall. I got a recall on this car, so I can't really list it right now because of the recall. So all my trip got canceled. So I'm just waiting for Nissan to go ahead and fix that problem right here. So I've been a constant phone number, like for back in July, almost the whole month of July was booked, but they all got canceled because of the recall. So I lost so much money on my Nissan, which is, that's why I didn't make 4K. I was looking forward to make 4K in July. I only hit 3Ks, but I was gonna make 4K. Yeah, so as you can see previously, I put it back late April. I put this car in, and it just keep going up. In July, it was way up to $1,600 because I was listing it at $58 a day. And then $58 a day, and I was on those automatic pricing, so Turo was fluctuate my price a little, but the lowest I was listing it for was $58 a day, and it was getting mad booking. So I was gonna make some good amount of money until the recall. Now I'm pretty sure this August trip gonna be canceled soon because apparently they won't fix the recall until October. That's what Nissan is telling me right now. So, but yeah, a 7-seated car will be the best car. Family cars intend to do very well on the platform. Don't go out there buy a $30,000 car. If you're trying to start a tour business, you really need to understand your market. And then also, don't try to buy a car that's too expensive, like 7-seated. See, that's too expensive where your monthly payment is over $500. You really need to make as much profit you can. So I said, trying to keep your monthly payment at least to minimum $300 to $400, not even going over $500. It's a risky move, but it's okay. But you shouldn't go buy a car that you're paying at least $500 or $600 monthly payment, $700. Yeah, this can really hurt you in the long run because not every month gonna produce this kind of income. So but like I said, luckily I didn't have a monthly payment for this car and my Mercedes, so I'm okay with this car. Even with the recall, I'll actually make a previous video how I was able to make money with it, even though I'm not, it has the recall. So I did make another video, so if you guys want to go back and watch that video to really see. But again, thank you for watching. Hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, or depends if you're local here in Orlando with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because every week, every day, I'm gonna try to share something that's very powerful that can really help you to grow your tour business based on my experience so far with Turo. But thank you so much for watching.